small village was in a valley. Winters were always tough here. But one time, a big snowstorm came. Snow kept falling without stopping. The village was cut off from the outside world. Food started running out. People began to feel scared and worried. During this sad and scary time, there was one elderly woman in the village. She was not strong anymore, but she had a kind heart and wise thoughts. Even though she was old, she didn't wait for someone to help. She decided to help others instead. She saw a young mother trying to save the last bit of milk for her baby. The old woman didn't think twice. She gave the mother some dried fruit she had saved. She knew the baby needed the milk more. She met a carpenter who was keeping all his firewood, not because he was selfish, but because he was scared. She didn't blame him. She gently told him that everyone needed to stay warm, and sharing was the only way. Her kind words gave him courage, and soon he was giving firewood to those who needed it most. Others were inspired by her kindness. The baker gave his last bit of flour. The farmer shared his final potatoes. People started checking on their neighbors, giving blankets, and telling stories to cheer each other up. They worked together, sharing fairly and clearing the snow. The storm finally ended, and help came from outside. But something even better had happened. A strong and caring community was born. Even in the hardest times, small kind acts can change everything. In tough moments, even animals show kindness to one another. Let's all choose kindness. We have only one life to support each other and help however we can. True warmth doesn't just come from fire. It comes from a kind heart.